Meaning of house hunting.
House hunting.
House hunting.
House hunting.
House hunting. House hunting refers to the process of looking for a new home or property to purchase or rent. It involves searching through various listings, attending viewings, and evaluating properties based on certain criteria such as location, size, and price. House hunting can often be a time-consuming and stressful experience, but it is an important decision that requires careful consideration. At the end of the process, the goal is to find a suitable home that meets the individual's needs and preferences within their budget.